dear students. How are you? I hope all are you good. Welcome back to another class. Today let we start GK Unit 9, Books and Knowledge, Chapter number 48, Communication by Print. A newspaper or a magazine, the most important means of communication. So fill in the blanks with the correct information about a newspaper or a magazine. Number 1. The Dash is the oldest English magazine. It was started in 1844. Calcutta Review. Number 2. The Dash is one of the oldest existing English dailies. It was started in 1838 from Mumbai. The Times of India. Number 3. The Dash is a weekly newspaper published by the Government of India in English, Hindi and Urdu. Employment news. Four. Dash is the largest selling English news magazine of India. It is Malayala Manorama. Number 5. The Dash was the first newspaper of India. It was published in 1718 Kolkata. Bengal Gazette. Number 6. The Dash is the oldest existing newspaper in India. It was started in 1822 in Gujarati. Mumbai Samachar. Seven. The Indian state publishing maximum number of newspaper is Uttar Pradesh. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 49. Famous authors. Read the descriptions of famous authors given below and fill in the blanks with their names. 1. He was awarded the Nobel Prize in Literature in 1913 for Gitanjali. Rabindranath Tagore. Two. She is widely regarded as the modern Meera. Mere Bachpan Ke Din is her childhood memoir. Mahadevi Verma. See, a South Indian writer credited with popularizing the short story genre across the world, he wrote Malgudi Days. R.K. Narayan. Also called Kalam Ka Sipahi, he wrote Godan, Munshi Premchand. Number 5. The first education minister of independent India, he wrote India Wins Freedom. Abdul Kalam. Number 6. Regarded as the greatest poet and dramatist in Sanskrit language, he wrote Meghaduta. Kalidas. Number 7. Former President of India, also known as the Missile Man of India, he wrote Wings of Fire. A. P. J. Abdul Kalam. 8. An alumnus of IIT and IIM, he wrote The Three Mistakes of My Life. Chetan Bhagat. Number 9. Composer of the Kulgeet of IIT Roorkee, Jayati Jayati Vidya Sansthan, he wrote Kala or Budha Chand. Number 9. 8. Sumitra Nandan Pant. Often called England's national poet and the Bard of Avon, he wrote The Merchant of Venice. Number 10. William Shakespeare. Pierre. Number 11. Generally regarded as the greatest novelist of the Victorian period, he wrote Oliver Twist. Charles Dickens. Twelve. Known as the Nightingale of India, she wrote Broken Wings. Sarojini Naidu. Number 13. Remember for his epigrams, he wrote The Picture of Dorian Gray. Oscar Wilde. 14. An Anglo-Irish satirist, he wrote Gulliver's Travels. Jonathan Swift. Jonathan Swift. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 50. Epic. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. Who was Karan's mother? Kunti. Who told Rama about the abduction? Jatayu. Who disguised himself as a golden deer to Charan? Chamsita. Maricha. Who was the king of Dwarka during Mahabharat times? Lord Krishna. Who taught Bhim and Duryodhan the use of the mat? Gada. Balram. Number 6. Which is the longest poem in the world? Mahabharata. Lord Krishna's exhortation to Arjun before the battle is one of the supreme treasures of human literature, a gospel of devotion to duty. What is it known as? The Bhagavad Gita. who was instrumental in poisoning Kekai's mind against Rama being made here apparent. Manthara. 9. Which important objects in the Mahabharata were made from the thigh bone of Dadichi? Vajra. 10. What was the popular name of Devrata in Mahabharata? Bhishma. 11. Who became the king of Lanka after Ravana was defeated and killed? Vibhishana. 12. Who designed Rama's mighty bow? Vishwakarma. 'So, my dear students, the all chapter of this unit are completed here. I hope you all are very well understand all chapters. So, we will meet you the next class. Thank you, everyone.